first nuclear bomb contained 60 kilograms of uranium-235, which only 600 grams went through nuclear fusion. 40% of the uranium was placed in the front, where the remaining 60% was placed in the back. And then a conventional explosive drove a projectile to cause the explosion. Uranium is in ore form, and there's usually two isotopes: uranium-238, which has 146 neutrons and 92 protons, and uranium-235 is 143 neutrons and 92 protons. And uranium-235 is the one that causes a chain reaction. And what happens with that is a lower energy causes the nucleus to split. The emission of extra neutrons, the two neutrons, allows initial fission to cause a chain reaction. The only difference between the two is uranium-235 weighs less than 238. So if they were struck by the same force, uranium-235 would beat it by 6 meters. And how they separate it is they use a centrifuge to separate 238 and 235. What happens is it spins, and 235 siphons through the middle while 238 is thrown to the edges. And usually it must go through 60,000 centrifuges to enrich uranium-235 or natural uranium to 30% 235. And that's my presentation on the video.